I was wanting to learn how to knit, so I got this knitting needle kit on Amazon. So I'm gonna try it out. It's like a soft velvety on the back. Comes with all these needles, knitting needles. And then it has different things in here. I think these close them off your project. And the wire. So I'm gonna try these out. And I got this yarn. Baby Paca DK. No, I think it's a medium weight number 3. And it recommends a 3.5 to 5 millimeter knitting needle. So I'm gonna try that. Comes with different sizes. So I'm going to use the 5 millimeter hook for this yarn. I'm going to try it anyway and see if it works. I guess you put this little piece and this little below the screw like that. And then you take this in and it screws in. I'm so nervous. So on this yarn that I'm using, it says a 3.5 to 5 millimeter knitting needle, and this one's crochet hook. So I'm gonna try the knitting needle. So it'll be between 3.5 to 5. So I got the 5 millimeter knitting needle.
Going to do our long tail cast on method. So you're going to want to set up your yarn like this. The long piece that's still connected to my yarn ball is in the back, and the short piece is going to be in the front, okay? And it's going to be laid out and separated like so. Now what I'm going to do with my left hand here is I'm going to make a little pointer with my pointer finger and my thumb. I'm going to stick that in between those two yarn pieces like so. I'm going to take the rest of my fingers now, and I'm going to hold all of the yarn. I'm just going to grab it, and then I will open up my pointer finger and my thumb so I can make this little diamond shape. From here, I'm going to flip my wrist over, and it's going to look something like this. Okay. What we're going to do from here is we're going to cast on our stitches. So I'm going to take my needle, I'm holding it with my right hand, and I have my fingers on my little slip knot just so that it doesn't fall off the end of my needle, okay? I'm going to go over to my thumb, and I'm going to pick up the outside yarn piece. I'm going to go under and swoop it up like this. Okay? Now I'm going to tilt it over, and I'm going to pick up the front yarn on my pointer finger. I'm going to go around the back and swoop it towards me. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take it through our thumb hole, this opening in the yarn, like this. Now I have another loop on my needle. I'm going to drop the yarn that's on my thumb, just like that. And I need the yarn back on my thumb, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it right down here. I'm going to pull it back around my thumb, and at the same time that is going to tighten our loose yarn up, okay? So now I have 2 loops on my needle, and we are just going to repeat the process, okay? So I'm going to pick up the outermost yarn on my thumb. I'm going to swoop outside in, pick it up, and then I'm going to go over to my pointer finger and pick up the closest yarn. I'm going to go around the back and swoop it up like that. Now I want to take my needle through the hole that is around my thumb, just like that. Now I'm going to drop my thumb. I want to pick it up, so I'll go right here through the bottom of the triangle. I'm going to swoop around and pick it up and tighten up that loop. Got it? So now we have 3. I want to do 10 in total, so I'm going to do 7 more. I'm just going to go through them slowly. You can watch and learn. If you need to go back through, I would just re-watch the first 2 where I vocally described what I was doing, but now I'm just going to visually show it to you, okay?
I think I got it. You put your 2 fingers and you grab the yarn like that. And you bend, take it down. You go underneath your thumb over that one, and then in between, let go. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and she's wanting 10. So got 7 on there. I got some knitting needles, so I learned how to cast on. I'm learning how to knit my first time. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got some knitting needles, so I learned how to cast on. I'm learning how to knit my first time. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,